Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by matching paint activities to one clear learning goal. This guides every choice you make. Once you have that objective, gather 3-5 colors, brushes, a palette, and rags so you won't interrupt flow. Make sure to arrange a 20-30 minute block and state simple success criteria students can aim for. Explain the goal aloud, show a quick demo stroke or composition, then assign the first short task so students start practicing technique immediately rather than waiting. You now move into focused technique instruction, teaching one element at a time, grip, stroke, pressure, or direction, and explaining why it matters for the outcome. Once done with a model, give a 60-second hands-on attempt and circulate with targeted feedback. Make sure to show 3 visual examples, your demo, a raw student try, and a corrected version so learners compare. Transition between demo and practice briskly, and finish the cycle with a short group reflection to reinforce the skill. You finish by guiding final refinements. Check drying order, recommend varnish timing, and explain safe layering weights so paint bonds cleanly. Once students adjust details, collect one quick reflection from each person and note one concrete improvement for next time. If problems arise, colors too watery, brush clumps, or surface tears, stop and demonstrate the fix. Blot thin washes, clean or reshape bristles, or reinforce paper edges. Then resume with a short recovery task so momentum continues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.